Hi guys, for today's video we're going to make fish with vegetables and with rice, but only I will teach you how to cook the vegetables and the fish. So this is Helen telling you more. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell down to keep updated for more videos from me. Want to know how I make this fish with vegetables? Let's go! We need 4 pieces of fish, 3 pieces of onion, I cut them into circles, pieces of potatoes, I cut them into squares, 4 cloves of garlic, I cut them into small pieces, 3 pieces of tomatoes, I cut them into circles. We also need 1 piece of carrot, I cut them into circles. We need 3 pieces of bell pepper, the red, the green, and yellow at the same time, cut them into circles. And also we need 5 pieces of pepper, the hot one. We also need 135 grams of tomato paste, and we need cooking oil. So for the spices of our fish, we need curry powder, 1 spoon of salt, turmeric powder, black pepper, cardamom powder, cumin or cumin powder, a little bit of coriander powder, and the 1 spoon of fish spices. And for the spices of our vegetables, later we need the paprika powder, the curry powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, black pepper, cumin or cumin powder, the fish spiced, and the mixed spices. And also we need Maggi cube. So first step, we're going to preheat the pan. Then when it's get hot, we're going to add the cooking oil. Then leave it hot. Then we're going to fry our vegetables and the fish. So while waiting the oil to get hot, we're going to mix our spices for the fish. So we have already mixed it. Now we're going to put the spices inside and outside of the fish. So this is the fish. We're going to put it here. Like that. So I have cleaned it inside. Then you have to put it also. Spices inside, so that the fish will become taste delicious. So all of the fish, we're going to put all the spices. So simple as that. So your fish will be look like this. So this time the cooking oil is getting hot. So we're going to put our potatoes. By the way, shout out to my members. Shout out to the Poor Traveler. Shout out to Mom De Martins. And shout out to Sis Maria Salome Black. Next, we're going to fry the carrots. Shout out also to RRP Layo, to Sir Tas and Tus, and to all the YouTubers in Kuwait, to Summer Face TV, to Juna TV, and to all watching the video. Now we fry our bell pepper. Shout out also to Ma'am Mirasol Edlun Vlog, one of my member, and to JD's Vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe their channel. By the way guys, I put it in the steamer so that the oil will goes down and it's not too much oily. So the next we fry will be the fish. So the onion, tomato, and the garlic, we'll leave it later. The secret of cooking the fish here, you have to make it a little bit crispy, little bit dark and brown, so that the fish will become delicious when you're going to eat it. So now it's done. So now we have already fried our fish. So this time we're going to fry the rest of the vegetables and the sauce for the fish. So on an empty pan, you're going to put a little bit of cooking oil. Let it get hot. Then we're going to add the garlic. Then this time we're going to add the onion. Fry it a little bit, then mix it. Then this time we're going to add the tomato. Then mix. Add the 5 pieces of the chili pepper. Then we're going to add the spices. Add also the 2 pieces of Maggi cubes. Then the 135 gram of tomato paste. Okay. Then mix. Then this time we're going to add the vegetables that we have fried. Then you have to lower the fire. Then mix. Let it cook a little bit. Then we're going to cover it. So after 10 minutes, we're going to open it. So it's a little bit cooked. We're done. So next, we're going to put the fish at the top. Then we're going to cover it for about 5 minutes. Then it's ready to be served with white rice. So after 5 minutes, now it's ready to serve, and it smells yummy. So let's go and serve it. So this will look like this. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to put the rice. Okay. Then you add the vegetables at the top. Then you add the fish. So that's it. So now our rice with fish and vegetables is done. So thank you guys for watching and hope you like it. So hope you enjoy and cook with me. So thank you and bye bye and God bless us all.